Hello, this is Brown Sugar. Today is a port order sharing. When making this cardboard figure, the brown sugar was severely punished by the plastic sealing machine. This plastic sealing machine has always been under brown sugar, the most capable go-getter. Work hard and never fail. So no time you want to get up. It's all in there. At the same time, the plastic sealing machine also floated out. Plastic glue smell. After 2 or 3 weeks, a tactical back jump that was directly startled. Bounced off 3 meters. Then the brown sugar goes to the store. I want a tutorial on handling the roll film of the plastic sealing machine. The discovery of tragedy. This situation, you can only dismantle the whole plastic sealing machine to clean up. My dad tried to do miracles. Big mouth. Big solo premise Vonia. Pull it out. And it didn't do anything. It couldn't be pulled out. My mom dug out all the screwdrivers in the house. My brother also came to help. But he's always silly. What day is next week? For example, why can this screw be screwed out? My mom and I explained. Because he got stuck with a piece of iron. He still has his clear, stupid eyes open. Keep asking why. I really can't take it. Just let him cool off. My mom is super capable. Solo gentleman. I can't wait to get started on my own. At that time, brown sugar was very confident. I thought I had the strength and the means. As a result, one was not controlled properly. The good news is miracles and... Fortunately, it still got stuck later. After an operation. Finally, from the depths of the machine, pulled out the shrunken plastic sealing film. The heating tube is also covered with a plastic sealing film of baking glue. You can only send the steel wire ball and clean it up hard. Don't stand solo in Vonia. But brown sugar is now plastic sealed. They were scared. Afraid that he would defect again. Because I redrew the cardboard figures. Really tired. Oh, puppy ears. It's really cute. She gonna be lady. Hello, this is Brown Sugar. Today is a draft to share. Last video. Brown Sugar said not to imitate the setting of a single master baby. Don't give me money. When I saw this sentence, brown sugar is really shocking. Because in the perception of brown sugar, do not imitate others' original character settings. It is the basic consensus of the circle. However, brown sugar thinks maybe there are people who don't know this. So answer here. The reason is simple. Every original character. They are all children who have put a lot of effort into the creator. Some people think this cardboard figure is really beautiful. Just copy. Solo gentleman. Do you know his name? What's his story? Why did he have that scar? What secrets are hidden behind his smile? You don't know. Because he is not your child. It's someone else's unique brainchild. These kids, it is not a material library that workers can access at will. Not without a soul. Shall model at the mercy of others. Like this cardboard figure that Black Pang is making at the moment. The single master baby made him an emoji. Solo gentleman. Brown sugar can be clearly felt. An OC mother's deep love for her child. It's really hard work and emotion. I will compensate you after 2 or 3 weeks. He has cute cat ears and a cat tail. It's time to show the finished product again. Let's take a look. So no time you wanna. Hello, this is brown sugar. Today is a draft to share. This setting cannot be imitated. This word. Ah, lol, lol. The map that brown sugar got is Jing Jing is very beautiful. And the brown sugar picked out lots and lots of markers. Temporarily collected colorful green. After the result is painted, you can't even tell I'm using so many colors. When drawing eyelids, I'm going through a lot of markers. Solo Gentle Monica. It's in the lead box in the back. I found it all at once. When the beauty is colored, the whole nib fell out. All little stars. This time the cardboard figure was still drawn in the middle of the night. It's summer vacation now. Brown sugar has also lived the day and night upside down. Sleep during the day. Play with your phone at night and be a paper man. She didn't go out much. Big solo stand in Vonia. The day has disappeared. If you even cut the meal, my parents will take it too much. No need to endure. Oh. Brown sugar feels they can tolerate my outrageous schedule. She gonna be let it. Because of my friend's mother. Call him for a walk at 6 in the morning. Waking up earlier than not having a vacation. He's about to collapse. Such a comparison. I feel like my parents are really kind. Solo, oh my god. It's stretchable. It holds up like a fork. So cute when I painted brown sugar one day. I picked it up and scratched my scalp. Giant Comfort has also been developed new functions by brown sugar. The soul extractor is none other than. Next is the finished product display. Let's take a look. That's it for today's sharing. Bye.